Hello traders, welcome back to ProBuyerBot's YouTube channel. In our last video, we explained what we can do with our Deriv API template, and I showed how the Deriv API template plays multiple trades at the same time. In this video, I will show how Deriv template plays trades on every tick, then how it changes the trade type and the market based on given conditions, and how we can change the trade duration from seconds to minutes to ticks within one bot, and how the Deriv API template allows us to get the historical data as well as how live market data can be streamed using this template. For this purpose, I have already developed template files for each instance. So first I will show how to place trades on every tick. These are the code files. I will copy the path, then I'm going to command prompt. Here I'm changing the directory. From here I'm typing CODE space dot and press enter. It will open Visual Studio Code in that same folder. Here we can see the logic. This bot plays digit odd and digit even trades alternatively. And we can see here martingale is also integrated in this bot. So let's run this bot and test. Yeah, we can see that bot is started. Here the symbol is R10, that means bot is running on volatility 10 index. Let's open the trading platform and see whether these trades are placing as shown here. Yeah, we can see trades are continuously placing. Okay, we can see here trades are placing on every tick without any delay. So that's how this bot is working. I'm going to Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl+C to stop this bot. I'm closing Visual Studio Code from here. Let's see how market switch is happening based on the given conditions. I'll do the same thing to open this in Visual Studio Code. Changing the directory first, then type CODE space dot and pressing enter. Let's see what are the trade conditions here. Okay, here we can see the logic for change in the market. If trade is lost, but is changing the symbol to R100, that means next trade will place on volatility 100 index, and if won, it will come back to volatility 10 index. The trading logic here is simple. If lost, change the market. So let's run this bot and test. To check this, we need to go to reports, trade table. From here we can see a lost trade. One trade has been lost on volatility 10 index. After this loss, let's check the market of this trade. Now we can see the next trade after the loss is placed on volatility 100 index. So as you can see here, we can change the market also as per the given trading logic. I will close this bot also. I'm opening trade type switching code block. Changing the path. Opening it in Visual Studio Code. Yeah, we can see the trade logic here. First, 3 trades will be placed with digit differ. Then next 3 trades will be call. After that, it will change back to digit odd. And here we can see after 10 trades, bot will reset the trading cycle. So let's run this bot and test. I will click on this Run Python file button. This is authenticated. You can see here we have set stake as 3, that's why placing $3 trades. Yeah, now it placed about 9 to 10 trades. Let's go to our trading count and see. I will reverse this. Three digit differ trades, 3 call trades, 3 odd trades, and the cycle is continuing. So that's how we can change the trade type using this Deriv API template. Let's move quickly to the other one. Now I will show you history download API template. Same as earlier, I will open this in Visual Studio Code. Let's check what's inside this trade.py. Here we can see this code is taking last 5000 tick data, and we can save it to an Excel. I have commented out this. I will remove it. As we can see here, we can log the real-time data using this API template. So for now I will comment it out, and I will show how to download last 5000 tick data. So I will run this boot file. We can see here the notification historical ticks data saved to historical ticks.xlsx. So I'll go back to the folder. Let's open this and test. In this file, it gives data as a code, so we need to change this code to a readable date. So I pasted the code for this, and I will change this value to A2. Let's see. We are getting this value. So I will change this type to long date. Yeah, it's today. Actually, we need this in seconds. So I'm clicking on more number formats. Okay, we can take these time values even in seconds. As you can see here, we can see all the consecutive tick values. I will stop this bot from here. I'm pressing Ctrl plus C to stop the bot. Then I will go back to trade.py. Then I'm commenting this out. Then I will remove the comment here. I will save it and run again. Yeah, here we can see it's logging real-time data. So as I demonstrated, those are the possibilities of Deriv API. These are just some of the examples. If you have any question regarding Deriv API, what other things that we can do with Deriv API, you can comment it below. I will come back with a video regarding that. And if you want to download these API templates, I will place the link in the video description. And thank you very much for watching.